water fountain for them. I was like, huh, okay. Oh, I think Mama has had this before. Mama's not scared at all. The kittens were like, what? Garth's like, what? What is that? Yes, Mama was definitely not a feral cat. She's like, oh yes. Yes, fresh, flowing, filtered water. Sweet mana of life. Alright, you're gonna see the dirty litter boxes. I just got home. But you can see the kitties. They're like, what is this crazy thing? Again, don't mind the litter boxes. I just got home. I will be cleaning them shortly. Kids are like, what? What is this thing? What is this thing? Yeah. Check it out. Yeah, it's fresh water. Yeah, it's fresh water. Mom's like, I'm digging it. Come on, kids. Oh, yes. Nummy nummies. Good water, huh? No, don't chew the cord. Garth, you can check it out. Oh, my goodness. There you go. A little lick. It's yummy water. Okay, well, that was... Oh, he's going right in for it. Oh, children. Let me tell you. Garth, those are my toes. Owie. Okay. I'll post a better video later this weekend. With fun stuff. Oh, yeah. We're getting the hang of it. There's another... There we go. These kitties are so funny. Oh, here's Clario. Come on, Clario, you're the first. Okay, then. Alright, bye-bye.